We were working with set builder form. We solved first one and B here. It's given in Venn diagram and we want to write it in set builder form. So can you see what is the connection between the elements? What is the rule there?
They are prime numbers.
Yes, they are prime numbers, but if we'll say, for example, in the second one, if we'll say that this one, it's made of X elements and X is prime number, will be enough?
Till 11.
Yes, we need to have a boundary here because it's not infinitely many prime numbers. It is still 11. So we can write that X is a prime number, X is less than 12.
11, 12.
12. 11 is included there.
Yes.
Or you can write in this case less than or equal to 11. It can be. Or if you will write only less than, it will be less than 12 because 11 is there. Okay. And set builder form it can be written also like this. For example, for the third one, C, the set C, Sunday and Saturday. How will make this one? Weekdays. Weekend days or weekdays that starts with S.
Yes, possible.
So you can write like weekdays that starts with the letter S is one way to write. Also like this, writing the rule inside of the braces, it can be set as set builder form. Okay, did we understand?
Yes.
Can you explain A again?
A here, look,
A.
we have the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So as you can see, they are the even numbers, yes? 2, 4, 6, 8, shift.
Yes, I know.
So it's still 12.
Yes.
And now here I am saying that this set is made of the X elements and X is an even number. How we show even numbers? We show like this, 2K, 2N, 2M, doesn't matter. And then K is the numbers between 0 and 6. So instead of K, when I will write the number 0, I will get, look, X is 2 times 0, it's 0, the first element. If K is 1, X is 2 times 1, which is 2, the second element, and it goes like that. It continues like that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, teacher. Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Can I continue to the next one?
Yes.
Yes.
So here we have number of elements of sets. How we show number of elements? You will write like n of A, this one, n of A is the number of elements in a set of A, okay? So for example, if we have a set like 1, 2, 3, 4, what will be the number of elements? N of A will be 4. I have 4 elements here, yes?
Yes.
So you will show with this number of N of A. Okay. Are you writing this?
I will write after lessons.
Okay.
Teacher, why
I didn't
four
take
numbers
attendance.
only?
Why what?
Why 4 numbers only?
I gave this one, this example.
Okay.
I choose 4 number. It can be more, it can be less. Okay, doesn't matter. Only what does it mean number of elements? How many elements you have in the
Okay, now I understand. There will be a number before the A thing and
Yes. For example, here, how many elements we have in A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of elements of A is equal to
6. Oh, 7.
in B,
2.
2.
B.
In B5?
B
1, 2, 3,
Five.
4, 5. In C,
2.
Just
Teacher, Wi-Fi.
here B, the set B. How many elements you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Alexander. In C, the set C, you have 2 elements, Sunday and Saturday.
And plus B, teacher. Or in the C. In the B, teacher.
Atë fondojastëvo ku
In
elementi
B, how many elements you have? You have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the elements of the set B.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Now, here there are some sets given in set builder form, and we need to write their elements. I'm giving you a bit time to think about it, and I will take the attendance and we'll solve together, okay? Besan, are you here?
We have 2 more lessons.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Besan. Hamza? Hamza? No. Ermal?
Yes, teacher.
You're here, Ermal?
Of course I am. I'm just
Okay.
listening, teacher.
Okay. Sarah?
I'm here.
Okay. Rumesa?
I'm here.
Salman?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Stanislav?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Vesa?
I'm here, teacher.
Giovanna?
I'm here.
Arta?
I'm here.
Ardita? No. Rika?
I'm here.
Arya?
Here.
Fatih?
Here.
Okay. Stephanie?
I'm here.
Yona?
I'm here.
Amra?
I'm here.
Elza?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Eva?
Here.
Alexander?
Here.
Anita?
Here.
Okay. Yusuf? Yusuf? Okay. Now in the first one, if this is the set A, let me write, this is the set A, this is set B, let's say, and C. So here, which elements will be in the set A that will satisfy this rule? X has to be an integer number, and it has to satisfy this equation here. So which numbers it can be? What do you think? Guys, are you here?
Teacher, I don't understand this one.
Yeah, same, teacher.
Look, here you have
Anything.
this equation. Okay? And our set is made of these X values that will satisfy this equation, yes? And
Yes.
X has to be an integer number, nothing else. Now here, I have thing like you have the multiplication of 3 numbers, A times B times C, and they are equal to 0. Think that like this, okay? We have multiplication between them. So if you have multiplication of 3 numbers and the result is 0, it can be only in which case? If A is 0, or B is 0, or C is 0, yes? In this case, it can be possible. Okay, for this. So what it will be? Here in this equation, I have x times x plus 2 times x minus 1, which is 0. So x can be 0, or x plus 2 can be 0, or
X minus 1 can
minus
be
1 can be 0. So from here, x will be minus 2. From here, x will be 1.
One.
So the elements of A will be 0, or we can write in this way, minus 2, 0, and 1.
okay.
Did you study this one in 3rd grade, Salman?
No.
In first grade, teacher.
1st grade. Okay. Now in B, what we have, x is prime and x is between 0 and 18. So which elements we will have here? Which
1.
smallest
Five.
prime number?
It can be 2,
2,
3,
3,
5, 7, 11, and 13, I think.
13. And do we have one more?
17.
17. And that's all. It's okay? Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes. In C, we have x is an even number, even multiple of 5 greater than 48. So multiples of a number. What is multiple of a number? For example, multiples of 5 will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Bless you, teacher.
Bless you, teacher.
Thank you very much.
Bless you, teacher.
Thank you.
Bless you, teacher.
Thank you very much. So here we have, as you see, I wrote the multiples till 50. Here it says an even number, an even multiple, one even multiple of 5 greater than 48. So which one will be?
50.
50. Okay, because it says n. One number only. Okay?
Okay.
Or you can continue if it says it doesn't have any how to say, if it says even multiples of 5 greater than 48, you will continue like 60, 70, infinity. But here it says x is an even multiple of 5 greater than 48, and you are choosing one. Okay?
You don't have to write also 60, 70.
You can write only one.
Okay.
Okay? Did we understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Can I continue to the next page?
Yes, teacher, you can.
Okay. Now here we have types of sets. The first type of set is empty set. And you can see that from the name, empty. There is no any element. So a set which contains no element is called empty set or null set. Denoted by the symbol, you can show the empty set with the brackets only, without anything inside, or with this symbol like O and a line on it. Okay, so this one, mostly I will use this one for empty set. For example, here it's given in set builder form. It says B natural numbers divisible by 0. Do we have any natural number that we can divide by 0, or any number that we can divide by 0? Is there any number like that? Hmm?
What, teacher?
There is no
Any number which is divisible by 0?
It's undefined.
It's
Defined.
undefined. So
Undefined, yes.
there is no any number that is divisible by 0. Because of that, B is an empty set. There is no any element for B. Okay? For example, in C, what it says, x squared is equal to -4 and x is a natural number. Do we have any natural number that will satisfy this one? We'll take a square of it and it will be a negative number. Do we have any natural number like that?
Like which one, teacher?
X squared is equal to -4. Can we solve this one? X squared is equal to -4. What will
No, it will be absolute value.
root of -4? What we said, can a negative be inside of the radicand side?
No.
No.
So there is no, this is undefined in real numbers or in natural numbers. My handwriting become like. So because of that, because there is no any solution in natural numbers, this one, this set is an empty set. You can show like this or like this, the empty set, okay?
Okay.
What about this example? It says determine each of the following set is empty or not. Here A is made of x elements and 5x minus 1 is equal to 8. X is an integer. So how we'll solve this one? 5x minus 1 is 8. Then I will try to solve by solving an equation to find the x. So what it will be? 5x will be 8 plus 1, which is 9. Then x will be 9 over 5.
Which is not integer.
Huh?
Which is not integer.
So this is not an integer number. It's not an integer. Because of that, A is an empty set. Yes? Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
What about B? B is an empty set or not? Alexander, what do you think? B is an empty set or not?
What, teacher?
B here. Is an empty set or not? This one.
Not, teacher.
It's not? Why?
Because it's teacher, I don't know how to explain.
So anyone else who can help Alexander to explain it? Why it's not an empty set?
What? But for what, teacher? For the second one of the?
Yes, the second one, the set B. Alexander says that it is not an empty set. But he can.
It is an empty set because it has
It
the.
is an empty, teacher.
It is an empty set. The others, what do you think? It is empty set or not?
Or maybe an empty in the empties. I don't
An
know.
empty in the empty.
Negative empty, teacher. I don't know. I don't know.
So here, guys, how we show the empty sets? We show with this symbol only or with the brackets only. But here we have an element in B that is the, B has, let me write here, B has an element which is
Empty.
this one. I mean, this,
Empty and empty, it's not empty, teacher.
yeah, empty is not empty. You can think this one as a symbol. So this is one element here. If it was written only like this, then B is an empty set. Or if it was written only like this. In these cases, it is empty. But when you're writing something inside the brackets, it's not an empty set. Okay?
Okay.
And what about third one, C?
Firstly, we should do the equation. Or not?
X squared over x is equal to x, and x is an integer. Is there any x that will satisfy this one? Is there any x that will satisfy this one, guys? An integer number? Think about it, Salman.
It works with 2, teacher. 2 to the power of 2 is 4 over 2.
Or maybe 1, teacher, 1.
For every integer, I think.
So 4 over 2, which is 2. 2 satisfies, also 1
Also 1.
satisfies.
3 satisfies.
1 over 1, it's 1. So as you see, there are some elements. So C is not an empty set. C is not an empty set. Did we understand the logic of it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can I continue?
Yes.
Finite and infinite sets. If the elements of a set are endless, it is said to be infinite. Otherwise, it is called finite set. We have infinitely many we don't see the end of the elements. It's called infinite. If we have an exact number of elements, we call it finite. For example, I'm giving an example. Let's say A, B, C, D. This is a finite set, yes?
Yes.
We know how many elements we have. What is the number of A? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I will say B, let's say even numbers.
It will be infinite because you didn't tell between, for example.
Yes, we
or
don't
till
have any boundary there, even numbers. So all the even numbers, I have infinitely many even numbers, yes? So this is an infinite set. So if I want to write the elements of this set, I will start like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and it goes till infinite. And we'll show the infinite sets like this with the dots at the end. It's okay? Did we understand?
Yes, it's okay.
And subset. We have one more subset. If every member of a set A is also a member of a set B, then A is said to be a subset of B. So how we'll show subset? A is a subset of B. We'll show with this symbol. Maybe you remember it.
Yes.
Yes.
So as you see here in the Venn diagram, every element of A is inside of B. So A is the subset. A is a set inside of the B. So because of that, we call it subset. Okay. So how we show? We show with the Venn diagram in this way and set builder form in this way. X is element of A. At the same time, X is element of B. Okay. Did we understand?
Yes.
Next
Yes.
lesson, we'll continue with the sets. We're finishing here now. Thank you. See you.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Nice day.
Teacher.
Goodbye, teacher. Have a great
Bye.
day. Love you.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.